Hi, everyone. This is your contact center coach here to talk about one of the most important skills you can have as a contact center agent, how to make callers feel important. In this video, we'll talk about what that means, why it's important, and I'll give you some great tips on what you can do to make callers feel valued and important. This video is brought to you by BenchmarkPortal, the source for contact center training, certification, benchmarking, and consulting services. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to help us keep creating educational content just like this. And please stay to the end of this video to receive a special offer. Mary Kay Ash, the founder of Mary Kay Cosmetics, once said that everyone has an invisible sign hanging from their neck that says, "Make me feel important." And she was right. Everyone wears an invisible sign that says, "Don't forget me," "Acknowledge me," or "Make me feel important." That's true in life, but especially when working with callers on the phone. Customers want to feel valued. But why is that important? Isn't giving callers what they call for all that's necessary? Well, studies have shown that it costs 5 times as much to acquire a new customer than it does to simply retain an existing one. Improving the customer experience by making people feel important increases trust and loyalty in you, and that keeps people coming back to do business. And existing customers are 50% more likely to try a new product or service and spend 31% more per purchase than new customers. There's no question that retaining customers through loyalty has bottom line benefits for you and your company. So let's look at some ways you can make people feel important and build that loyalty with a few simple approaches. Showing appreciation by thanking callers can move mountains in your relationship with them. If you can acknowledge that they've called previously, it adds a personal touch that makes people feel valued. So whenever you can, thank callers for doing business with you. Treat callers like people, not transactions. Treat them as you'd want to be treated if you were the caller. But don't overdo it because it can come across as fake. And customers can spot a fake easily, which may cost you their business. So make customers feel important by being genuine and authentic. Actively listening to people earns trust in who you are and what you do. It says, "You are important to me." So listen and take notes. Ask relevant questions and maybe even brainstorm ideas. But then respond appropriately. And when they respond, listen even more. For a great video on how active listening can benefit you and your callers, click on the link above. Let's face it, things don't always go well, and sometimes they can be out of your control. In any case, acknowledging that you let a customer down and offering a simple apology can go a long way in turning around that person's trust. Because when you demonstrate that you can handle a problem, it makes them feel important, and that can actually improve customer loyalty. When possible, do something special. For example, informing callers of special offers that are taking place, or helping them find a product or service that would benefit them. You can offer information about your website or social media platforms. And there may be other things your center allows you to offer that makes callers feel important. The point is that good customer service means paying attention to details, and when possible, helping people with things they didn't call for or didn't even know were available. Making customers feel important is crucial because a valued customer is the core of your business. Without customers, you don't have a business or a job. So nurture every single one of them to the best of your abilities, because it's not just about providing customer service anymore. It's about building relationships, trust, and loyalty by making callers feel important. For watching this video, you can get a 20% discount on any of our training programs by using the promo code COACH20 when you enroll. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and check out our awesome certification courses listed in the description below. You might also like this video about building rapport with your callers, or this other one from Benchmark Portal. Just click or tap on your screen. This is your contact center coach saying game over. Now go out there and be great.